You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word from Italian. Some may think it's Spanish, but no, it's actually Italian, meaning beer in Italian. How do you say beer in Italian? If you want to learn more beer names, stay tuned. Birra. Birra, if you want to learn more Italian as well. We've got tons more food names for you at the end of the video. Stay tuned. Birra. Or in English, you can pronounce it, English pronunciation, birra. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.